Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for staying with us and being a good fan of our videos and liking them. We highly plead on you guys to share our videos after watching them and also like them, subscribe so that you can receive every update that we share on this channel. Now in this video, we are going to explore and unbox how you can just use Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel or Microsoft Word online even if you don't have the software installed on your system. So let's say you have Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, let's say even on your system, but due to activation issues or you not being able to activate it, you can't use it to edit your files that is there urgently. Now, do you know there are simple ways or a very simple step that you can just use a Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft Word online with just an internet connection and a computer? Now stay with me till the end of the video as we delve in step by step on how you can use Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel online with just a click or with just an internet connection and a computer. So let's say you have a file that you want to edit, or let's say you just want to use a blank Microsoft PowerPoint, let's say Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel online. How will you do it? So let's first log in. Open your Google tab. So I'm going to open my Google tab here. So first launch to Google tab. So I'm going to type in www.google.com. If you have Google already installed in your system, you can just click on it and open the Google tab. Now in the Google tab, just type in. So let's begin with the Microsoft Word. Type in the Google tab word.new. So word.new, then you press enter. Now this gives you this interface. The first or the second link here is create and edit document for free. So here you can just click on it to open Microsoft Word document blank, or you can even use it to upload a file and edit. Now if you are the first time user, when you click on this link, you'll be asked to sign up. So you are going to sign up with your email address and possibly your password. So I have already done it. So when I click on this link, that is create and edit Word document, it is going to open this interface for me. So this interface, I can create a blank document or I can upload a file from my system for editing. So let's first do creating a blank. So let's create a blank document. So when I click on create blank document, it will just open an interface for the Microsoft Word. So let's watch as it loads. So this is the interface for Microsoft Word, where you can just do anything that you want here, just like how you have how it will appear when you have the software inside your system. So you can just type whatever you want to and apply the various formatting tools. You have the right button, you have all the buttons here that you can apply everything that you want to do on your system. So everything holds here. You can just save the file that you have already typed, or whatever you want to do, you can just do it here. So this one you want to create we want to open a blank Microsoft Word document for typing, or if you want to use for editing. So let's say we have an existing document on your system, you want to open it here. So here what you do is you come back to the first interface here. Instead of you clicking on create blank document, you click on upload file. So you upload the file that you want to edit from your system. So when you click on upload file, just move to the destination where you want to edit or where your file is. So let's say my own, I want to edit the file called the research proposal. I'll click on this one. So after clicking on this one, I will just wait for it to load. So this is the file I just uploaded. So this is my research proposal. I can just apply any editing or formatting tools that I want to do in the Microsoft Word document. So you can just edit it, you can delete and type whatever you want to add here so that you can achieve the result that you want to your file document. That is how you can open the Microsoft Word document online. Now let's see how you can also do by you can open either Excel or PowerPoint. So here, as I said earlier, if you want to create a blank document, you click on this one. If you want to edit an existing document, you just upload the file from your system into the Word document here so that you can apply the editing tools in the Microsoft Word document. Once again, When you type the word .new and you come to this interface, the second one that says create an edited document for free. If you are a first-time user, most of the times when you click on it, you'll be asked to sign up. So when you sign up, just use the email and the email address and the password that you use for creating an account for Microsoft Office. Let's say I want to open Excel. So the same thing, you type in Excel. So I'll type in excel.new. So excel.new, then you press enter. The second link is edit spreadsheet online for free. The same thing like the word. When you click on it, if you're a first-time user, you'll be asked to sign up. But me, like this, what I've used before, when I just click on it, it will just send me to the interface straight. So if you have an existing Excel spreadsheet that you want to edit, you upload the file just like you did for the Microsoft Word. But if you just want to use it to create, or let's say you want a blank workbook for your own work, you click on the create blank workbook to open the Excel spreadsheet for your own typing. So this is how the Excel spreadsheet will appear online. So you have the cells here, everything is here. You can just type in whatever you want to type in. Like this, how it appears if you have just like how it appears if you have the software installed on your system. So you can have the various ribbons. You have the buttons here. You have the home button. You can have the insert button. You have the page layout. You can have the formula. You can have data a lot. So all these things, the same thing applies to when you have the software installed on your system and you want to use the Excel to edit a particular, or let's say you just type a blank one to type or to enter a particular data, especially for data analysis as the main use of Microsoft Excel. So the same thing, if you have an existing file, you can follow the same procedure here and upload it just like we did for the Microsoft Word document. Now, if you want to open the PowerPoint, the same procedure, you're going to type in the PowerPoint, so PowerPoint.new, then you press enter. So this one gives you this. So the second one, the third link here is the edit presentations for free. So normally the icon for the particular software is shown here. So for the Excel icon shows here. For the word icon shows here. So when I click on this one, I expect to be connected to an interface for a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So once again, if you have a document that you want to edit, also upload the file here. But if you want to create a blank document for your own presentation work, you just click on this link and that is going to send you to a blank PowerPoint presentation interface that you can just input any result that you want, or let's say any presentation that you want to. So this is how the interface will appear for a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, just like how it looks like if you have just the software installed on your system. So this is the PowerPoint slides. So you can have the home button, you can have the insert button, you can have the design, you can have the transitions, you can have the animations, everything here. You can continue by just opening up a new presentation. So Control plus M, that opens a new slide for you. Type anything there, then maybe you apply any of the changes that you want to apply to using the features on the right one. So on the home button, you can have insert, you can have the draw button, you can have the design, you can have transition, you can have animations. All these things are what appears on the Microsoft PowerPoint software when you install it on the computer. So that's how basically you can use just an internet connection and let's say computer to as even just on your cell phone to access Microsoft Office, that is PowerPoint, Word, and Excel online. Let's say you have an issue with your software installed on your computer, especially with activation issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watching so you can receive every update that we share on this channel. Thank you.